So this is the closet. It used to be a bathroom. They turned it into the closet, and then I am turning it back into a bathroom. They had supports along here, and they had put some shelves in here, but it has a cute little window. This is where an old sconce was. But as you can see in the back corner, that was all hidden by shelving. There is a leak, and it is, I believe, an active leak. So what I'm going to do is, I already have done one coat of it, but there's this awesome stuff. It was like I could smell mold and mildew. There's this awesome stuff called X14, and it gets rid of mildew and mold. It's a miracle. And yesterday, this was actually a lot darker. And so today, I'm going to give it another coat and wipe it down, and hopefully it'll look a little better. Then I'm going to prime it so that it's all one color because it looks kind of crappy. And then I'm going to put wallpaper up. So stay tuned.